Hey beautiful people around the globe, I'm Harshal Sheth from Cadence Media Production and Academy, and here we are learning how to edit photos in Lightroom in the most easiest way. If you want to check my previous video, you can click up here or link is in the description also. In this video, we will learn about the most powerful and important tool in Lightroom which usually people don't use or ignore it, that is tone curve. Most of the world's best photographer feels that using tone curve is the most powerful tool in affecting the brightness and contrast. So don't afraid, let's start using tone curve in the most easiest way. Hello friends, welcome back to the video. You must be a little bit shocked that why I'm using this black and white photo, and reason behind using this photo is you can understand the tone curve in the most easiest way. This is the traditional way that anyone can easily learn tone curve. As you can see now, tone curve is the second panel, the very next panel after the basic panel we learned in the last video. So click on the small triangle and let's begin. In Lightroom, the default setting of the tone curve is like this. So we can scroll down and check that there are some options in which you can edit a tone curve a little differently than we usually do. You can see highlights, lights, darks and shadows. But I will suggest you to click on this and edit in this one. So what is tone curve? Tone curve is an important and powerful tool in which you can adjust overall brightness of your photo by making it brighter or darker with affecting its contrast. This is the gradient line through which we will adjust the tone curve. Here are the dark areas, also known as shadows. Here are the brightest part of the areas, known as highlights, and the middle portion is known as midtones. To adjust this, click on the line and you will see a dot there, and if you will double click, the dot will go off. Now we will start with the brightest part of the photos by clicking here and dragging it down. Drag it down completely. By dragging it down, the complete picture will go black, and you can see now it is totally dark. And now we'll bring it up back from where we started. And now we'll make the picture brighter by bringing up the shadows. So click it and bring it all the way to the up. Now you will see it has brightened up the overall photo and picture is pure white. So now you're getting the idea that how tone curve can affect your photo. You can see we can click on the line and select as many points as we want to. Or simply you can double click on it and deselect if you have clicked an extra. Many photographers use an S curve to edit in tone curve. You must have heard about it. By simply increasing the highlights and decreasing the shadows. You can see before, after, before, after. So to get this tone curve in more detail, let's get to the actual photo to get a better idea. Click here. We'll start with the S curve and we'll make changes accordingly to edit the way we want. Bring up the highlights and bring down the little shadows. Now you can see that changes are going through, and rather than the brightness and contrast, literally nothing has been changed. This is the reason that it is known as the powerful tool. If you want a little classic film faded look, you can bring up the last point like this. Somewhere near here, I think so. The little fading has come. Before, after. Before, after. You can always bring down the settings if you have edited too much. In this case, it is a little over edited, so let's try to correct it. I think this is better than before, and we can see the details also. If you want to bring up the shadows, then you can bring it up from the basic panel also, which will not affect the contrast by the tone curve strongly. Very minor effect can get, but it is negligible, so don't worry about it. Now we can see before, after, before, after. I think for the tone curve panel, this is good enough. In next episode, we will learn about the most colorful panel of the Lightroom, and yes, that is HSL color. Hey guys, if you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the upcoming notifications. Hey guys, thank you for watching our video. Hope you like it. If you have any questions, you can comment in the box down below, or you can email us at the given email ID. If you want to watch this video in Hindi, the link is given in the description. So we'll meet again soon in the next episode. Till then, bye bye.